Hey, welcome home. This is 4702 West Thad Place in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. We're in the Marion Manor mobile home community. This is a beautiful home. This is a prime example of a home that has been totally refurbished. I can't wait to show it to you, talk to you about this home, and also talk about helping you make this your very own. We've got financing with 21st Century Mortgage, and that is incredible financing. We bring it to you through 21st Century Lending. I know everything's 21st century, but what the heck, it's a great universe, right? And it's got the gold stamp of approval. I'm standing in the dining area right here. We've got a great kitchen cabinet feature here with these wonderfully poured artistic countertops in the kitchen, in the dining area, also in the bathroom, but you could put four chairs here easily to sit up to the bar. You've got upgraded, new appliances, KitchenAid, top of the line, a gas stove, 5-burner, hood fan that actually vents outside. You've got a big, beautiful refrigerator, gorgeous, stainless steel, big sink. There's nothing small about this place except for the price. And the price is incredible, $100,000. Amazing. Look at the new light fixtures, just super cool. Ceiling fan, great light fixtures. Here's a built-in buffet for your dining area. We've got a great living area. The sellers really enjoy their computers, his and hers, and so they've got that there. This is a wood-burning fireplace. You're gonna love that. How many mobile homes have you ever seen, besides just homes in general, or homes at 100 grand, have you found that have a good wood-burning fireplace? This one does. You've got new central air, central heat as well. This home is incredible. New windows, a nice bump out here in the front of the mobile home. And we're gonna flip this around, turn around, and then head down the hall, take a look at the bedrooms, beginning with the primary bedroom. And we'll work our way back out to the entry of the home. What do you think? What do you think so far? It's a pretty cool place, right? So we are really taken with mobile homes. It provides people with affordability. Greg and I were just talking about earlier today how the property taxes are going up on property, and the prices of your home home payment is going up. And so this is a really nice way to mitigate your cost of living. So let's come on in here. This is the master bedroom. It is huge. It's at the end of the hall, the back of the mobile home. It's beautiful, a nice calming tone, color tone in here. A big bedroom. This is a king size bed. You could put king size bed, oversized nightstands, big dressers, a big double closet. The owners have chosen, they don't like those flimsy bifold doors, so they've used curtains, and it really adds a bit of elegance to the whole closet thing, and I love it. It's just got a great feel to it. Again, the windows, lots of natural light, so very cool. We go from here, right just right off the primary suite is the bathroom, and we've got cabinetry, a nice complement of cabinets, as well as linen cabinets as well. This back to these custom poured sinks. They're so cool. Countertops, I mean. You've got his and hers medicine cabinets, a tall, raised, elongated toilet, and this beautiful shower that has some height to it. It's got a little depth to it, so I guess if you wanted to sit down a little bit, you could. But this is a great shower. Again, nice ceiling fans. And when we get to the other side, we will show you something cool. But before we get there, this is your laundry center, sitting right here in the hallway with additional cabinetry above it. Beautiful appliances. All the appliances convey with the property. What a deal. So if you come here, you don't have a refrigerator, you don't have a stove, you don't have a washer and dryer. They're here. They're here for you, and it's incredible. In a mobile home, one of the other things that you want to take note of is how is it insulated? This is insulated with new siding that is also insulated on the back. So they've just basically done double insulation on this home to get you the lowest cost of energy consumption and the most enjoyability. So this is one of the bedrooms. The owners decided to cut away in the wall here to provide an extra kind of shelving unit for towels, etc. You could close this back up and just use this as a regular bedroom. The owners chose to use it a little bit differently, but they didn't mess it up so it couldn't be used as a bedroom. So we walk down the hallway from here. Beautiful, beautiful windows, lots of light in here. They just choose to keep it kind of nice and cool. Nice big guest bedroom right here. We've got a double closet again with curtains, and this is a big bedroom that you have right off of the living area, kitchen area. Super nice. So you're a foodie and you're on a budget. Gourmet kitchen. Beautiful place, easy to navigate to this park from this place. You can get on the I-29 really quick, I-90 really quick. You're near the mall, you're near Lake Lorraine. So many amenities that Sioux Falls has to offer. This is close by. It's at a great price point. Your payment's going to be low, probably less than what you pay for rent. This is an ownership park, so you can't be a tenant. You've got to be an owner. So come, let's check it out. Give me a call today, 605-906-8976. I'm David Shelton, your realtor.